You'll also see the new dynamic live measure dimensioning when graphically adding nodes to your sewer and stormwater networks in Civil Designer version 9. So let's have a look at how that works here in this stormwater project. There is a setting here under system settings, under the visual indicators, that you can disable the live measure. But in this case we want to show you how it works. So leave it on, and then just graphically drawing in some new nodes. So graphically add. I'm gonna switch the auto node naming off. I want to add my own node name, and I'm switching the link data visibility off as well. We don't want those link dialogues popping up as we're adding our nodes, just to speed things up. Okay, and then I've got a few predefined points that I'm using. So just selecting my first node position and giving that a name, accepting. Okay, so now you can see I've added the first node. As I'm moving my cursor, you can see this live measure in action. So it's showing me the length of my first link. Okay, then I'm going to switch the auto node naming back on. So then the program can just name the downstream nodes. And you can see the program then automatically would name the downstream link based on the upstream node name. Okay, so this is this live measure that we added now in Civil Designer version 9, allowing you to see exactly what the length of a link would be as you're adding them. Just finishing off my branch over here and quitting out of that function. So that setting, just once again under system settings, it's the visual indicator, the live measure, that you can disable it if you possibly don't want to see it all the time, but it is quite a useful function now that has been added in Civil Designer version 9.